We're here today with Amber Coppings. We are in her fabulous studio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and she is a textile artist. She deals in fabric art and a technique called Chimbora. This is probably one of my favorite pieces. It's gorgeous, and we're going to introduce you to Amber right now. Hello, Amber. How are you today?
Hi, Suze. I'm really good today. Thank you.
Well, thank you for inviting us into your studio in this fabulous workspace. You specialize in a unique fabric a unique process, I should say, called Chimbora. So we want to share with our audience what a little bit about Chimbora is and how you got started in it.
Sure. Well, it's pronounced shibori, and it's a Japanese art form which is based in fabric dyeing techniques and is now in contemporary fashion world and fabric world, also three-dimensional art techniques.
So it is. It's taking a lot of fabric and you're giving it that three-dimensional feel, so to speak. So tell us a little bit about this process so we can explain to the viewers how exactly you get those fabulous pieces.
Sure. I start out with a white piece of cloth. This is actually silk organza. And what I do is I add color by creating a dye bath. And this one was from a nice brown dye bath. And so when it comes out and it is washed and dried, the fabric looks like this. And to create the three-dimensional texture, what I do is I take the fabric and I embed different objects inside of the fabric. So there's bicycle parts and marbles and vintage buttons in here. And then I felt the fabric, which is adding a lot of heat, a lot of hot water, and then agitating the fabric. And then when it's dry, I can actually take all of these objects out, and the three-dimensional texture is left in the cloth permanently. So this is one of my silk organza bubble wraps that still has the texture in it.
And you can see that it creates the little bubbles and the three-dimensional texture and the end result.
Yes. Yeah, and you can even stretch it and it's just going to stay. It's really fun to touch too. They're
gorgeous. To me, they're like works of art. They really are works of art, and that's why the process is unique and it's specializing in such a unique, different aspect of fashion. Where do you see this three-dimensional fabric art, making its place more and more as the years come in the fashion industry?
I absolutely think that it's going to become a part of everyday fashion. I've seen t-shirts that have different three-dimensional textures that are permanent in the cloth. I also see it a lot in costuming, in different theater productions, so that always influences fashion and then what everybody starts wearing.
It most definitely does. Like the Lion King, for instance, is a technique they used all through the Chimbora, all through the costumes in the Lion King, correct?
Yeah, they did. A lot of the costumes had wonderful three-dimensional texture that was in the cloth.
And you are a native now of Pittsburgh. You stayed here after college. How do you feel that Pittsburgh is changed probably just in the last 2 or 3 years in the fashion industry?
Well, I see so many more people that are buying independent designers and buying from local boutiques that really support local designers. So I see more and more real fashion and everyday clothing on people in Pittsburgh than I used to when I first lived here.
Another aspect of Amber is her outerwear label, which she calls X Mittens. And it is another texture, it's another way of doing the Chimbora way and of her designs. And she's going to tell us a little bit about how she creates this outerwear label. Tell us a little bit about X Mittens.
X Mittens are inspired by shibori, and they all have a different kind of three-dimensional texture. And this one is actually created using threads with a sewing machine. It's actually a serger, which is a special kind of sewing machine. And there originally was just one kind of glove, which was just the X Mittens. And now there are 4 different styles of gloves. Some are extra long, some have thumb coverings, some don't. And there's also scarves and hats and jackets also that match the gloves and have the same kind of three-dimensional texture.
Actually, red is my favorite color, so I think I'm going to keep these, Amber, because I love them, they're beautiful, and they make me happy.
Good.
That's what fashion's all about, making you happy.